If you want to make your kids a millionaire, you must watch this video. Hi, I'm Candy Robertson, and I'm a social media expert and a licensed life insurance agent. I help you generate wealth using life insurance. So make sure you watch to the end of the video so you can learn how. So you may have heard of the custodial Roth IRA, where you can deposit money into the account and it grows over time. So by the time they retire, they'll have $1 million. Well, did you know you can do the same thing with life insurance? Yes, you can get a permanent life insurance policy such as a whole life or index universal life, which is my favorite, which I will cover in other videos, so make sure you continue to follow and subscribe. Permanent life insurance accrues cash value that you can pull out to pay for anything that you want, such as college tuition, debt. You can even buy a car, a house, or build a business with. The best part is, even after you withdraw money, it still accrues cash value. This is called compounding interest. So by the time your kids retire, they'll still have money in their account, about $1 million, and they still have money to use while they're alive. You can hit two birds with one stone with this type of policy. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about all the other policies that life insurance offers and what you need to do to help generate wealth for your family. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms at iCandyland. Also, if you like a free quote, you can message me here or visit my website, which is in the captions below.